Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. When you think of South Korea, what comes to mind? K-pop, delicious food, incredible cities like Seoul. Well, today, we're venturing beyond the city lights to explore a different side of Korea's amazing wildlife. From majestic predators to adorable forest dwellers, the Korean peninsula is home to some truly fascinating creatures. So, get ready as we count down 10 incredible animals you can find in South Korea. Let's dive right in. First up, we have an animal that's a true legend in Korean culture. The Korean tiger, or also known as the Amur tiger. This magnificent big cat is a powerful symbol of strength and courage throughout Korean history and folklore. You'll see it everywhere, from ancient paintings to modern logos. Sadly, these tigers are critically endangered in the wild, but conservation efforts are working hard to protect them. They represent the untamed spirit of the Korean wilderness and hold a special place in the hearts of the people. Let's talk about a creature with a rather surprising nickname. The Korean water deer. It's often called the vampire deer. Now, before you get worried, they don't drink blood. They get this name from the long tusk-like canine teeth that the males have, which they use to compete with other males. These deer are actually quite shy and gentle herbivores. You can spot them in forests and wetlands, and despite their spooky nickname, they're a pretty common and fascinating sight in the Korean countryside. Our third animal is the magnificent Asian black bear. You might also hear it called the moon bear. And for a very beautiful reason. They have a distinct white or cream-colored crescent-shaped patch of fur on their chest that looks just like a little moon. These bears are a protected species in South Korea. With a significant population living in the famous Jurisan National Park, they're incredibly intelligent and are a vital part of the mountain ecosystem. Seeing a moon bear in its natural habitat is a truly unforgettable experience. Moving from the forests to the wetlands, we have the elegant red-crowned crane. This stunning bird is a symbol of peace, luck, and long life in many Asian cultures, including Korea. With their long legs, snow-white bodies, and that iconic patch of red skin on their head, they are truly a sight to behold. They are one of the rarest cranes in the world, and during the winter, you can see them gracefully wading through the wetlands in areas like the Cheowan DMZ, making it a hotspot for bird watchers. Number 5 on our list is a bird you'll see almost everywhere in Korea, the Korean magpie. Unlike in some Western cultures where magpies can be seen as bad omens, in Korea, they are considered a bearer of good news and a symbol of luck. People believe that if a magpie sings near your home, it means good guests or positive developments are on the way. Their distinctive black and white plumage and chattering calls are a familiar and welcome part of daily life across the country. Number 6. We have an animal that often causes a bit of confusion, the raccoon dog, also known as a tanuki. At first glance, you might think it's a raccoon, but it's actually part of the dog family, Canidae. With their masked faces and fluffy tails, they are undeniably cute. 2. These nocturnal creatures are very adaptable and can be found in forests, farmlands, and even on the outskirts of villages. They're shy, but also very curious animals. Let's head south to the beautiful Jeju Island for our next animal, the Jeju horse. This breed is a designated natural monument in Korea. They are known for being small, but incredibly strong and resilient, too, having adapted to the island's windy and harsh environment over centuries. They have a very gentle and friendly temperament, which makes them perfect for horseback riding tours around the scenic landscapes of Jeju. Riding one of these horses is a classic Jeju Island experience. Back on the mainland, deep in the mountains, lives the Korean wild boar. The powerful and intelligent animals are the wild ancestors of domestic pigs. They use their tough snouts to dig for roots, bulbs, and insects. while they usually stay deep in the mountains. They are known to be bold and sometimes venture near rural villages or hiking trails in search of an easy meal. They are a true symbol of the wild, rugged nature of Korea's mountainous terrain. As night falls, our next animal comes out to play. It's the Eurasian eagle owl, one of the largest and most powerful owls in the world. With a wingspan that can reach up to 2 meters, huge, mesmerizing orange eyes, and prominent ear tufts, this bird is an apex nocturnal predator. They are masters of silent flight, hunting for small mammals and other birds in the darkness. Stirring, its deep, hooting call echoed through a quiet mountain valley is both chilling and awe-inspiring. And finally, at number 10, we have something on the smaller side. The Korean striped field mouse. Don't let its size fool you. This little rodent is absolutely adorable. As its name suggests, it has a distinct dark stripe running all the way down its back, from its head to its tail. You can find these agile little creatures scurrying through grasslands, farmlands, and open fields across the country. They are a small but important part of Korea's ecosystem. And there you have it, 10 of the incredible animals that call South Korea home. From the mighty tiger to the tiny striped mouse, Korea's biodiversity is just as rich and fascinating as its culture. Which one of these animals was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into Korean wildlife, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures. See you in the next video.